What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Horsepower Enthusiast channel. Today I have a big announcement, but first we're gonna wash the salt off my truck and do a few things to the Jetta. Man, it definitely makes me sad how salty this thing gets, but we will fix that right now. There we go. That's definitely a lot better. Let's go down to the end where the Jetta's at. Alright everybody, we are in the garage. Truck is somewhat clean and we are going to be taking the Recaro seats I just put in back out of the Jetta. So once again, we'll get the Jetta spun around so it's in the sunlight. Not sunlight, artificial light, whatever, just so you guys can see. So I'm going to do that quick. Never a bad day for a cold start. Alright guys, I'm ready to start pulling the seats back out of the Jetta. I got the few tools that I need. I got your flathead, Phillips head, and 13mm socket. Pulling these out because someone is coming to buy them tomorrow. I know I've only had them for like a week, but we got something better, don't worry. Now you see them. Now you don't. All the seats are out. Sitting over here, waiting for the guy to come get him tomorrow. Alright, we got the seat out. I think it's time I show you guys the big surprise. I really hope you guys are as excited about this as I am. We got a box for the Jetta. Just kidding. Alright, this is my first time using the head mount, so if it is staring at the ground, I'm sorry. But let's get this box off of that. Look at that, we got a Sparco seat. G-force harness, put that on. We'll unbox that in a second. Also, some more goodies. You know what that is, but let's unwrap the seat first. Go. What do you guys think about that? Sparco Sprint, size large. Wasn't too sure about ordering this seat. Might actually be a little bit big for me, but I ordered it online. I think we're gonna try it out first and see what it's like. Okay, time to unbox this steering wheel. Get this guy on the ground. Dun 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 dun. There it is. I believe it's called the Mod 07. I think that's the model name on it, but suede steering wheel. Feels pretty light. I'm really happy with this. Then as far as seat belts, I don't really know much about harnesses or anything about racing seats in general, so I just kind of bought what looked nice. Got some G-force, cam lock style. Should be pretty cool. That's what the shoulder strap looks like. But I am super excited for this. And not only is that going in the Jetta, also getting another one of those. And the Jetta is getting a full roll cage. So it's kind of hard to picture right now, but I found a guy that's local. Next week or two, I'm gonna take my car up there so we can get the ball rolling on it. That's why I needed to order the steering wheel, the seat belts, and the seats, because we will be solid mounting the seat in the car, and I want to get everything right on the first try. But there it is. The Jetta's getting legit. Cage, seat belts. We're gonna be safe. Here I just tossed the seat in the Jetta. It's kind of what it's gonna look like. Just sat in there for now. All right, everybody. Now that everything's been revealed, I'm gonna wrap up this stuff, spin the Jetta back around, the cover on it. All right, everybody. Just a quick recap before we end this video for today. We got the old Recaro's out of the Jetta. New spark goes in. In the next week or two, we will be taking a trip to Bloomington to meet with the guy that's going to be building the roll cage for this. So, if you want to follow that, or if it's the first time you stopped in, make sure you like and subscribe to follow this build. I'm so excited about this, guys. There will definitely be more content to come. But until then, we'll see you next time.